What this tastes like?
You have to
No, the ulam first and then the rice. No, just eat the rice first and then the ulam.
Rice first.
Yeah.
Maybe you can milk it with rice.
Yeah.
Yes, how tama. You need to do
Yeah.
dip and then with rice.
What's the taste?
See, never mind ako last
It's just good.
Don't mind ako last
Not mind the cholesterol. Mind the delicious of the chicken
No, I've
oil.
been eating that since I was a child. The cholesterol, it's not that dangerous.
Kasi na tayo dalawa ng videoan ko.
How is it, Mike? Good?
It's good. The chicken is good.
Reminds me of like a bride in Serbia. We have like also like a sort of man like on the grill and stuff. Some sauce, like a fire and roasting and stuff. We call it bride.
I'm just washing my hands because I just
Yeah.
washing my hands.
Told you it's good. You know, it makes even more delicious the rice because of the chicken oil. Every table here, you can see anyone with no chicken oil. Everyone has chicken oil here. You need to taste the soup. Wait. Kuya, di ba may nadaan dito na nagbibigay ng soup?
Sabaw.
Yan. Tatlo po. Ay, mag-isabaw ka ba kuya?
No?
No, it's delicious.
So hot. Careful, it's very hard.
Yeah. When you taste it, you need to go first. You should taste it. You can mix it with rice.
Diba
By the way.
rice?
Ako din po.
Oh, then let's mamaya.
Thank you.
Isa lang.
You can have my rice. You know.
Bigyan mo sa isa.
Here. Wait. Here. You should eat more rice. Because it's your last day.
Last day Philippines.
Yeah. You need to eat rice. Here in Philippines, you should eat more rice.
Is that the bottom?
If you met some people. Yes, you met some people here. They will let you eat more rice.
Ay, ano pala kasi
You should try the soup with rice like this. Then you need to taste it. No, more soup. You need to more, yeah, more soup. Ayan. So you can taste the soup in the rice. Or like this. Grab a rice, then in soup.
But the soup I don't
Yeah.
like much.
Then yeah, soup. Yeah, then try it. It's good. You know, when you're sick, your mother here, she will cook some soup sinigang. And then you'll be okay.
Chicken sinigang.
Yeah. Is it good, the soup?
I don't like the soup. Very sour.
It's sour, but I like sour too.
Yeah. So good. I like it. You know, you can pair the chicken oil with chicken. It's a soil.
You teach him how to eat in Filipino way. Kalamansi, more kalamansi. Okay, oh, kalamansi.
Want more calamansi? You want to be for the soy
Kailangan
sauce?
ba to? You want kalamansi? Eat siya.
Lalagay ko sa
It's only a soup. There's no sauce. Oh. Nasabi ko na eh. Mapaparize ka talaga eh. Ayaw kasi niya maniwala. Gusto pa niya na isang kanin lang. The chicken is delicious. It is roasted, no? We call it inasal chicken. Inasal.
Yeah, inasal chicken.
Inasal means roasted. Or grilled ba yun? Grilled.
Grilled. If you compare the chicken here and the chicken adobo, what's the best?
But I like the chicken adobo also.
Yeah.
Those are nice, but you make me choose, so.
Ano daw?
Pinapili ko yung kanila.
Ang iba kalamansi.
Kalamansi ko lang?
Ano ba yan?
You know, when people come here, when they go, their tummy is like flat, and when you exit, your tummy is bloated.
Because of the rice.
Yeah.
Kaya more Filipinos are
Fat.
daddies.
Yeah.
That's because of rice. No? And they don't have exercise.
They love eating.
Just like me. More rice. More rice. Yan.
More rice? You're good.
If I finish it, I want more, maybe, but
Okay.
Ano daw?
Maybe you want halo-halo. I'll teach you how. Yes. You need to like it like that.
Mix first. Mix it first.
Yeah. Maybe you can taste first the ice cream. Wait lang.
Delicious. Delicioso.
Yeah, you have to mix all the
All the
Ingredients here.
ingredients.
we have ube, called it ube.
Ube is made of green yam. Tama dyan? Yummy
Saan ba yung ube?
green yam. Violet yam.
Violet jam, yung jam?
Purple yam.
Ay, ewan.
It's like, okay, it's like kamote or just with
You just have to crush it.
mix it.
Then you can taste it. Yung yema. May yema to, di ba? Yema ba to? Or ay, leche plan. Yeah.
Leche plan is made of yellow yolk and the egg.
Yema.
Yolk egg.
Oh, the yolk egg.
The yellow egg part. Then sugar condensed milk. That's the leche plan.
You should try that. That's the best dessert.
Gala-gala na to sa rest of the mga siguro 5 na gala-gala muna tayo dyan sa
Para maano din natin siya dun sa potato corner.
oo. Samahan pa ba natin sa airport? Mamaya? Or, ano? Ay,
Kaso 11 pa siya. Pwede
hindi,
naman.
hatid lang natin siya tapos uwi na tayo agad.
Oo.
Sabihin mo kung marami siyang dala.
How many luggage you have?
Like one suitcase and one like carry-on suitcase. So two suitcase and one backpack.
Maybe we can drop you off at the terminal. Later.
Yeah.
Pwede.
Where company yung ano?
We will accompany you there.
Yeah, at the airport.
Where terminal are you?
It's Emirates.
Emirates?
Which one?
Terminal 1? Ano ba
We
yun?
have a lot of terminal here. We have Terminal 1.
At feeling ko sa Terminal 1 yun.
Sa baba ng terminal.
Paranaque.
Paranaque pa.
Yan nasa inyo pa kung saan. Kamay ano lang yan, Terminal 1 yun sa buwan.
It says Terminal 3.
Ano yun? Isa lang ito eh.
Matulungan natin siya sa mga gamit niya.
Pasay lang. Pasay, saan naiiyak?
Kakain niya ba?
Ate rice pa po. That's super really good, right? Yes.
Langin daw siya, te. Ay, ito yan.
How many do you rice?
Yun na daw? Ano ba?
All of it.
Little bit daw.
I can finish. It's a lot of rice.
Another.
Sabi ko, bawal tayo mahuli dito.
Hindi naman.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Ang dami.
Some more
You don't want
cholesterol.
chicken oil?
Some more cholesterol.
You like? Ano daw?
Told you it's gonna be.
It's good?
Yeah, I told you.
No?
Sarapan nga siya.
I saw it in, in microscope. And I don't know, it's true.
But still, I'm alive.
They some in the video, they're vlogging about the chicken oil. Then check in the microscope. They see only oil. There's no microbes or it's just clean. It's just only chicken oil. No bacteria.
You know, it's if you're in danger with the chicken oil,
What?
chicken oil.
What's that?
When I was a child, I love chicken oil.
When you are a little
But
child.
now, I'm still alive. I don't have any cholesterol.
Oh,
Ano daw?
you sure about that?
Yeah. I'm having a daily checkup. Daily checkup.
What?
A weekly checkup.
You have if you are high blood, what? Cholesterol check?
Hindi ako, walang cholesterol.
It's good to you.
Yeah.
But me, I think I have a lot of cholesterol in my body.
Depends on people.
Because I eat more fats. That's like, pork.
Ay, buti hindi ko ba sabi na Adventist, kuya? Hindi ka sabi na Adventist.
Hindi na.
Ah.
But I baptized in a Adventist. But I am tiwalag ba? Or anong tawag na sa tiwalag? Tiwalag means getting outside of the... Because my lola before, when I was baptized, I was a grade 3 student, grade 3, grade 4. And then my grandmother was, nag-alaga, just take care of me.
Yeah.
My grandmother is Catholic. That's why I converted on
Catholic.
Yeah, that's why.
You know, here in Philippines, if you live with Catholic, you should be Catholic. But we just respect it. It's just, you just go with the flow of their religion. So every time we we're with, for example, we're like, with you, 7 Adventists. It's like we like to be 7 Adventists.
Tanong mo siya kung born na ba siya na Adventist or siya born na? Your mother and your
You're
father
baptized, right?
Adventist?
You've been baptized. Like when did you baptize again?
2009.
2009.
Pero born na talaga siya or bago? Katoliko siya dati. Ano ba? What religion you are before?
When you were born. It's like 7 Adventists.
Yeah.
Born na talaga. Born na talaga. Maybe this pork is not used to me. It's just because my hand. I'd love to use my
Yeah. You know here, the tradition of Filipinos, they really use in their hands. My mother told me, I already told them that, I told you that you can try my mama's spaghetti. She told me, he must taste my spaghetti. You should rate who is more delicious, your dad's or my mom.
You know what?
Pinagtalo.
The spaghetti of Tita Debs is
Yeah, my mother. Matamis kayo sa kanya. Sweet spaghetti.
I love, Spanish style spaghetti.
Ah,
Ayan, Spanish style.
me, I don't like Spanish. Ay, mga Italian
But if you're
spaghetti.
living in their country and you have no choice, you have to eat it, even if you don't like the food, diba?
Yeah.
Because how can you be live without a food,
Yeah.
diba? You must try it. And then, someday, somehow, you can accept with yourself na
Yeah.
that's what is
With the food, you've been with it.
that you like.
When I was in Peru, it was just beans and rice. Not much flavor.
Ano daw?
Sa Korea? In Korea?
In Peru.
Ah, sa Peru.
Hindi ako alam.
Yung rice nila.
Hindi masarap.
Ano lang, yung kanila kasi kapag kumakain sila, like how you eat in Papua New Guinea, like what you told me yesterday, like rice with beans.
So yeah, like Rose taught me how to make some chili with the beans. So sometimes I make that. Sometimes I made like some pizza sort of.
Okay.
I don't have a oven, only a stove. The oven doesn't work.
Ah, okay. Kita siya yung sa mga chili beans. Chili beans.
Chili. Tanong mo kung masarap ba?
Is it good? Lalo?
You taste it before? Tanong mo yun.
This is your first time eating that?
Taste ba?
It's bad when it's summer.
Diba, yung kang i-rate mo kung to 10, no?
Yeah, rate it 1 to 10.
1 to 10,
10 is the highest score.
maybe
Maybe 5.
maybe 11.
Oh! So,
You know, if they heard how you rate the halo-halo, they will flock to you.
Hey?
you can eat halo-halo at the lunchtime or the noon time.
Yeah.
Or even afternoon.
But we like it when it's summer. It's perfect. You know, if you ask Filipinos during summer what they should eat, they will recommend halo-halo. That's the first recommendation here.
The only thing is, I think I waited too long now. It's melted a bit and now it's all like solid ice.
Actually, it's a cracked ice, you know.
Yeah, but it's like, I can't.
Yeah. You just have to
Crush ice.
let it. Wait, let me crack for
Ay,
you.
ayan, manaksan na lang. Baka
You
yung,
just have to.
yeah. Ay, you want kutsara like this? Ito. Pero later on, matunaw man lang yan.
Yeah. It will
Later on,
melt
it will,
later.
it will melt. But later on pa.
You have to find the ube. The ube. You have to find like that. It's so delicious.
This is the sweet beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the banana.
Yeah, the ube.
This is gulaman. You know what gulaman is? Gulaman. It's a jelly,
Like
gelatin.
Gelatin.
Gelatin meat. And it's also tapioca. This red one. And then the makapuno. The coconut.
Yeah. We have a coconut there.
Coconut scrape. And if you taste it, it's a lychee plant. It's a lychee plant. Made of yellow of the
Egg yolk.
egg yolk and then condensed milk and
You know, you can make your dessert with just an egg.
and condensed milk. The aircon here is not so cold. The aircon ba?
You know,
Air conditioning.
here in Philippines, if it's summer, they're gonna be sell the halo-halo. And you're gonna be rich. Because when you start selling by 1 p.m. or 12 p.m., it's gonna be sold out by 1 p.m.
We're gonna start a shop.
Yeah!
We can do a trailer shop.
Yes! Actually, you can represent it in your country. The halo-halo. Copycat from Philippines.
Chowking also have, tanong mo kung yung Chowking is, na meron ba? Chowking is on your plate also.
Do you have Chowking? Chowking. Do you have Chowking in your country?
Chowking
Ano
is,
lang, meron lang silang, you have Jollibee there, right? Or no?
Jolly?
Jollibee.
No.
I've seen, McDonald's.
McDonald's only.
And Starbucks. Meron silang Starbucks. You have Starbucks there, right?
But Starbucks is,
There's some other fast food ones that
Mm.
are different.
But I didn't like coffee.
huh?
Don't like coffee.
Here in Philippines, without coffee, without like,
Yeah. Morning, evening, we like
That-
coffee. We like to flex coffee here.
You do like filter coffee and stuff? Yeah. I have some coffee from Papua New Guinea.
do you have?
My one uncle asked for some, so I can
Oh, meron naman.
He asked for 2, but I have 4. So maybe you want some?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What type of coffee is that?
Arabica beans. I don't know. It's
I don't know
coffee,
what
coffee
variety.
tea.
Like a brew? Pero ako, mahilig ako sa mga brewed coffee.
Medium and a light roast. I don't know what type.
Okay.
But apparently it's really nice. But I've never tried it. But often we fly the coffee from the village. Big 50 kilogram bags
Oh?
of raw beans.
15
And then there's
kilograms.
roasters and grinders and roasters in Morocco.
15 kilogram yung coffee nila.
Huh?
15 kilogram, napakadami.
Oh?
That's a lot.
There's a farm of coffee there near pub. And
Yeah, plenty of
plenty, yeah.
So we can go sometimes when there's coffee season, the 50 kilogram, but we have like maybe 15 of them. So take like 900 or 1,000 kilograms of coffee in one flight from the
There's a lot of langaw here. You know what langaw?
Yeah. Like, you know, here, the famous tree here, manga, a mango. No, you can. If you saw a tree with a mango, you can pick that with tree. It's just a tree, but you don't want to get caught by the owner. The mango tree and the coconut tree. Famous here. Hindi pa natitikman yung mangga.
Saan?
Mangga natin na kuya, sayang. May mangga pala nung nakaraan, yung binigay ni Kuya Edward.
Okay, ha?
Kaso, hindi ko nabalatan.
Oh?
Nandun lang
Binigyan ka niya?
Ay, hindi. Yung driver pala natin ng tok-tok. Sabi niya, ay, ano man ito? Dala-dala ko siya kaso naiwan ko nung, di ba, nag-book tayo. Kasi hindi ko na nakita nung pagbalik natin.
Na ganon. Dapat nanghingi ka ulit kay Edward. Dami pa namang may mangga doon.
Ayun. I'm already full.
You must take it. You must consume it all because if you don't
too
consume
much.
that,
Yeah. No! It's just the rice.
Too much rice?
Yeah, too much rice, but
How
less
can you be saying
chicken
too
oil.
much rice? Filipino. You can't say too much rice.
Ang daming kanin. Ang daming kanin.
Daming kanin.
Yeah, ang daming
Too much
kanin. Yeah.
rice is tiny. Tiny.
But I don't think you
You know,
can. It's never too much rice for you.
yeah, ew.
Huh?
I just eat 1 cup of rice. Sabi ko isang kanin lang kaya ko sa isang araw. You know, when you say you're full, you're gonna say busog na ako.
Say what?
Busog.
So,
If you're full,
cool.
busog na ako.
I'm also busog. But the halo-halo is waiting.
Hindi ko na kaya.
O mga bolsa niya naman.
Kasi it's a waste.
Hmm? What?
Hindi kami nagtitira ko yan ng ano. You know, my grandmother taught me, if you eat rice, you need to finish it.
And then you take it the calderon. Just enough for yourself. Just
Yeah.
not just more than
You just have to take what's enough for you. But you know, every time I'm full, by conscience, because my grandmother told me that ever since I was a child, I never get a waste rice. I always finish it. Even though I'm full,
you conserve the food. Conserve ba? Conserve.
yeah. You know, I'm concerned for everyone because my grandmother told me there are kids that
No food outside.
Yeah, no food outside, and here
But-
you are wasting a food, wasting your rice.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay. I still have that lesson from her.
It's good.
But then, so,
You want some soup?
ate,
Taping yung sabaw. Ihatid na lang muna natin sa airport siguro. Ihatid na bago tayo kumino. Siguro mga 5.
para mabidyon din natin siya bago.
Kaya yung sabaw kuya. Yung sabaw pa.
May soup po. Grabe, busog ko sa ating tiyan ko.
Mainitan ko siya kayo nilagdag pa ba? Gusto niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Mainitan siya. Tapos yung likod niya, jelly yung likod niya ganyan. Oo.
Uy, uy, uy. Like, do you like pan?
Yan. Yung likod niya ganyan.
You're good?
Drink water? Water pala. What? Ay,
They drink the wrong way.
Yeah, what? Ate, ako. You know, I love soup. If you wanna ask this or this soup, I can pick this. Soup here is like a medicine. May cook pa naman ako dito. para maninibago ka bukas kasi hindi na siya, wala na siya dito.
Mike, we miss you.
Yeah, we will miss
Even
you.
2 days in our when we ang tawag na nakakilala ba?
No.
Just ano,
You should visit again.
Yeah.
maybe next time someday.
Yeah.
God's will. Sabi mo, masaya ka ba sa amin na kasama mo?
He wants assurance. Are you happy with us?
Maybe you have ba, mamaya na siya, pamainin na negosyo.
Yeah, he wants you to assure him.
To show you.
Ano daw?
I-assure ka daw niya.
Ha?
I-assure ka daw niya masaya siya. You know, Filipinos wants assurance. We love it.
Even if my English is not good.
Yeah.
But
It's been awesome.
He wants
sometimes I do not answer you because I cannot understand.
I bet he's trying.
But I'm trying my best.
Next time maybe I can learn something to come.
Yeah. So we can talk like, yeah,
He teach you how to
doggy.
doggy. Maybe she teach you how to speak Tagalog.
Yeah. Like, you know the Spanish word of como esta? Here, if you wanna like check on your friends, like, uy, kumusta? Kumusta is from the word Spanish, como esta. Como esta.
Kumusta?
Ano pa ba yung sa mga Spanish natin?
Spanish ba yung word niya?
Hindi. Para lang maano ko. Kasi familiar siya eh. You're familiar with the count of numbers like 1, 2, 3. Alam niya. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Spanyol.
You know it?
Maybe some of the 100 or something like that.
Up to 100, I know that.
It was from when I was in Peru. I learned some Spanish.
Ano pa ba yung sa mga Spanish? You know a lot of words in Spanish?
Not very many. I couldn't like speak properly. I could start to understand better.
What words do you know in Spanish? Ano pa ba? Wait
Hola,
lang.
mi amigo, mi amiga. Amiga, amigo. You are our
Amiga.
amigo.
Amiga, amigo.
You know amigo, amiga. Friends.
Ano pa ba? You know the kutsara? Kutsara, ba sa Spanish yun?
Mi amo,
Kutsara.
mi amore.
Mi amor. Mi amor. Mi amor.
Mi amore. What's the meaning of that? I don't know what is it. But I heard it in a film.
It's similar to sarange.
Ah,
It's just like ti amo. Ti amo ba yun?
Mi amo.
Ti amo, what is it?
Like sarange.
Ano daw?
Like sabi.
Mi amo. Ti amo. Ano pa ba yun? That's it.
Hindi ko yun. You know, he wanna try you.
Ha?
He wanna try if you know that. So you can tell the word.
Ti amo na yun.
So he wants me to say I love you.
What is it?
Gusto mo daw sabihin niyo, I love you.
Tingin niya? He loves you. Ti amo to.
You know, my mom here heard like, earlier that he was teasing me to you. And then my mother was like, she was laughing earlier. So you can say in video is like always, she was always laughing. And also Aunt Rose. Aunt Rose likes teasing too.
I'm used to it because my dad is like that. He always will teach.
Ano na yun?
Yung dad niya rin. Mahilig ng asawa.
Mm.
Sabi ko kasi, si mama inaasar ako sa'yo, pati si Tita Rose. Sabi niya, yung daddy ko rin. How old is your dad?
57.
Oh, you're a fake son. You don't know your...
I have to calculate. Oh no, it's real good. It's 1957.
okay.
Even I don't know how old is my father. I forgot also.
You know, here in Philippines, if you forgot how old is your parents, you're a fake child. You're a fake daughter.
He's 68.
Okay, fair.
60.
You're his real son.
Well, he'll be 68 in December.
December what?
60.
Okay. Oh, same with my brother.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The third. I know, but he is December 7. When is your birthday?
March.
March.
14 of March.
Okay.
Yours?
February 7. February 7.
Yeah.
Ikaw ko na.
January. January, February, March.
Yeah. What day of January?
21.
Oh, okay. My sister is 23.
Oh, January. Yes.
See, we're perfect trio.
Yeah.
We have a missing one member so we can be Blackpink.
What is it?
You're Jisoo.
Jisoo?
Kasi Jisoo, favorite ko si Jisoo. By the way, I'm Jenny.
I don't like Blackpink. I like
Jimmy also.
You're
I like BTS.
Hmm?
Jungkook. Jungkook ba yan?
Boy band.
I don't know the members of BTS, but I've heard some of their songs.
They're cool.
I think some of them are just finishing their episodes.
Yeah. All of them. But the first K-pop I know, K-pop group was the Twice.
What?
Twice.
K-pop twice?
Ayun yung sabi, nagulat ako sa kanya, nakikinig pala siya ng Twice na song.
I don't know that band.
Since 2016, I've been watching them.
I only
Sometime I just said, I heard of K-pop, I just said K-pop, so I wanted something,
Twice.
and it was Twice, you know.
You should be updated with them.
I don't know.
I don't follow anything.
Just like know the song. Ganda kaya nung Twice kuya. Ganda nung Twice.
I love
Wala akong
Filipino
alam na.
music. Filipino music only.
Yeah, you know Filipino music. But maybe you can't understand but you know, Filipinos are good at singing.
I can't understand the Korean.
Hindi na maintindihan yung Korea. Eh, pwede na rin yung Filipino.
But
Japanese also I enjoy.
You know that Rudy-chan?
I've heard like the memes and stuff.
Yeah. It's famous here. But the famous here was the anime. Japanese movie.
I haven't watched that before.
Yeah. You've ever been watched anime? You need to
But I
watch
think I've
one.
listened to some anime music. Never watched it.
You must watch the One Piece.
One Piece.
You know that?
I know the name, but I've never seen it.
It's the best anime series.
parang dalawa lang. Dalawa lang yung kanin.
Dalawa yung akin eh.